care when you gun long, me not afraid. I mean, you couldn't have every bomb where they making in the world. So, me will tell you anything come out my mouth. If you know we're good for you, turn these dirty thinking drive them in the sea. I want to drive them about in the business. I want to call the army and tell them, say, miss, me name Steve from my witcher. I mean, there are hell up on the beach and no boy can't take me off of this until me ready to go home.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy Murray TV.
So people, before we go into the video, I want to give a big shout out to Dijon and Dad YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is all about finances. So if you want to get your finances straight, if you want to get your papers straight, link Dijon and Dad. Now, other part of him kind of show you how to raise a child because him just have a youth. And I think the youth is called Dijon. Big up yourself, brother. So the two of them have the YouTube channel. And it's going good. And plus, this umbrella right now is a big supporter of the Chaddy Murray TV. Me can't explain how much him support the channel. Some would kindly appreciate it if you just go on over him YouTube channel, what that is called Dijon and Dad, and subscribe. Alright? Comment on one of the video them and make him know say a Chaddy Murray TV send it over there. People, if you know watch on Instagram, me I go tag him in the IGTV post. If you're on Facebook, look in the description or in the comment section somewhere there so for the link to his YouTube channel. Alright? So go and go check him out. Link my wife when me want some. From them catch Squaddy on the video, I eat up the ice cream. It come like say nobody in a Jamaica have no respect for no police. I know. Look how the youth there a deal with the policeman like a boy. Look how the youth there a deal with the policeman. Suppose the policeman the pop off him gun and bust one in him skull now. What would be the headline? Policeman shot and kill man who is minding his business. Anyway, me don't want to start off the review upon a bad vibes. People, when you don't know say a Chaddy Murray TV attack. And my other artist for introduce to you. And again, this artist is not new to the Chaddy Murray TV platform. This artist goes by the name Youngster. And I see a lot of people go on like say they want to go around the song, you know. They want to go around the song. This song what we are going to talk about is called Ambition. AKA Acres Over Markets. People, we need more songs like them here. We are influence youth in a positive vibes, in a positive way. People, enough of me talking. Listen, Youngster.
Why own a Ferrari with nowhere to park it, boy? Why shop a Louis V when there is a Target?
People, this song is all about motivating the youth them to go out there and get it. Not just sit down and wait for handout. Not just sit down and wait for auntie from over foreign or mother from over foreign for send you 1 bill or 2 bills. No, he must say you need to go out there to get it. And he must have a line in it where he must say, yo, acres over markets. Hold on, let that sink in. The man say acres over markets. The man encourage people to do more farming. You see me? And less raving. No, that is not a bad thing. Because in our world like now where we have to import so much thing, it's good when you have a backyard full of vegetable. You can't hungry. People, that song you bad. I'm wanting to go check it out because enough time when you run go over and check out be a foolish, be a little gimmicks. And them singer, them real singer, sometimes they get as much highlight as they should have get. But people, we are going to play it back again.
Partner draw me fix mine. Invest back in a Bitcoin. Blockchain virtual gold. Demands inflate in time.
Farming over markets. Link me girl when she want. Cause inside girl a breed. Yo. People, go and go check it out. This song is called Ambition. And the artist named Youngster. Sent me where him come from. Bododo.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Youngster said that. Acres over markets. Link my wife when me want some. Cause when side girl breed up, child support that lead up.
Back to the big man. I deal with the police like a boy.
Take off the mask and come back. Go call the army and them want come. Tell Andrew Holiness we want him over here if he sit down and talk. Lick me down, that's what I'm saying. Lick me down. I think on the girl is like I went catch I get licked down.
You see, because of the one little squaddy, everybody take the next squaddy them as Poppy Show, Jano Star. Anyway, still, Umbre on Elsha Beach, you were wrong. You're wrong. I don't know, that's my opinion, but you can't deal with the officer of the law in that manner. I expect the man them not gonna lock you up. Now, this media report come out hours after Umbre run with the squaddy them. The headline said, unruly man who scolded cops at Elsha to be arrested. Now, according to Stephanie Lindsay, head of the Jamaica Constabulary Force Corporate Communications Unit, she said that the man will be prosecuted. In order to de-escalate the situation, the police officers left, but they warned him for prosecution. We know where he is on the Elsha Beach. However, in order not to create more explosive situation, they didn't arrest him at the same time, Lindsay said. And she also added, the beaches are closed, but people are blatantly refusing to comply. So we will have to do what we have to do. Now, Stephanie Lindsay, this kind of look away, you know, because you tell me, say, one man will scream on the top of voice and 4 jeep of police. Me count like about probably 5 police officers were on the scene. I wanna could arrest the man. And yeah, I understand why I say, yo, probably if you wanna arrest him, it situation gonna escalate more and them thing there. But yeah, try to tell me, say, your squad them, your police officer them cannot handle a situation like these. Because the man should have been arrested and charged by now. You have a come on Loop News and say he will be arrested. Like on afraid of the man. The man ball out him name. Yo, who can't come for me? X, Y, and Z. Jaja. Stephanie Lindsay, I don't know. But the public start to more and more and more no fear police or no have no respect for police or just look on police as boy. I mean, I'm gonna share one more clip and you will understand what me I say. Check out this clip where a man a try give a policeman a try give a motorist a simple ticket. Check it out.
No fine. I bought the boy them today, man. Me and the man I go 64, him the man I go 99. And I see it in the say me I go 99. Big batty man, him suck pussy for the so. Yeah man. So soon I quote. Yeah man. Instagram like this man. I live with the yeah man. Shoot up and shoot me. Shoot up and shoot me, yeah? You know fucking belly as you no beg too much man. That's how I know pussy on camera so.
I know no understand what me I say, where it's like nobody now have no respect to the police. And we can't talk about even the policeman the other day where him and a motorist, him and a taxi man end up a fight. Even though them I say, oh, that policeman then stop pressure the taxi man, you know. But anyway, me don't know. Wanna tell me in the comment section if you see that fight, do wanna laugh till in a week. People hit up on my page over Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. Go on over there. Now for the video them when we can post over YouTube and we can post on Facebook, we post them over Instagram. So go on over there. Now people, Footer Hype gave us some shocking news, some shocking information, and this is the last clip where me I go left on with, and most definitely it probably be the most interesting clip where me I go leave on with. Footer Hype claim said Jack Cure and POPCAAN no deal. A matter of fact, them had odds, and anytime anyone see either of them a go jump off. Meaning if a death, if a dirt, a that Footer Hype say, according to Footer Hype. Now, me I go make Footer Hype explain himself too, no? And then we see what go on, right?
The latest thing when me hear go on at Jamaica now is Jack Cure and POPCAAN kick off. See? Icon. I don't think you hear that one yet in the Icon. You understand? Me say Jack Cure and POPCAAN kick off big time. First thing before me go in a story, let's hope that them can resolve the little problem before it get crazy. See? I know when I see in a recent times Papi and Jack Cure in them video and all the vibes and they all up at the yard and all the vibe. Allegedly, same situation again. Before me even get it, Jack here, my brother, I tell you last time I do a video say, please get help. I say, please get help. You not get it yet? Brother, Lego ego, Lego stubbornness, get help. Zeal, get help, my friend. Remember, you know, you this selector again with the advice not to where listening. You know. Where I say, oh, you know, say, I mean, tell every selector go suck them and them run me down for dub and rare. Alright, no problem. Zeal, but cure, please. Find a cure. Zeal, get help, my brother. Big up the whole I talks them are connected to cure and whole I street man them are connected to cure. And if you talk to him, tell him to get help. Zeal? So how the story go now? It's like cure a link with somebody, Zeal? And it's like the linkage of cure make them have a meeting at the yard and the meeting now go. Oh, cure expect the meeting figure, you see me? Yeah, so cure get angry now and you know, decide say the meeting done and the person can't left until them agree to where cure a deal with the proposal where cure put on the table in the meeting. Now the person gets scared and paranoid and cure a cuss and I go and be something. The person call Papi. See? Because the person know POPCAAN to one thing. He's a person from overseas. Yeah? And the person call POPCAAN and say, Andre, I need you to come get me. See? And Andre comes so boom and pick up a second who is an artist as well. I'm not going to call the artist name. But POPCAAN pick up the artist and say, alright. Remember these are the allegations toward me here, right? POPCAAN comes a boop and drive, go up a cure yard and must say I call cure on the phone and cure not answer. Call cure not answer, call cure not answer. So Papi comes a boom and must say tailgate, as according to the allegations. Tailgate and go in a complex and because I want townhouse, like remote gate townhouse. And go in there and link the person and the person ready for cut and cure a war. I say, yo, one man reach in the yard and in business and a film business and Papi fi go and go suck in mama and right and cure must say wheel off him last, you see me? And the person whether they with Papi must have license gun or something like that and wheel off him license gun and say nothing like that can't go on, a chop up can't go on, a ray can't go on. You see me? And big excitement in the yard and neighbors are peep out and be a thing. And the person where cure the meeting with and it never worked out. Cut with Papi. And then me used to now cure a link and I tell B people say Papi come and me had come this him and Zine I say Papi this him and be a thing and then Papi I tell him and them say cure violate car. Cure shouldn't do what him do and big excitement I go on a yard man. Be a problem. You understand me I say? My thing is how me know all of that? Busted Calder. Come on, the viral king. But remember this is an allegation. Because me never did it. See? So this is allegation based upon information when me received. So me say the two of them at odds right now and be it thing I go on and be Cure say him I go lick Poppy in him face anyway him see him, and Poppy I say anyway him see him I lick in her face, and you know the allegations them not sound good, you see me? You see me, the allegation them not sound good. But me just a say Bridget. What me I try to say? Zine, Cure, sicker, Zine, please, me I beg you brother. Me I beg you. Remember you don't rate no selector, you don't like no selector. So me include myself in it because me a selector. So you go down and like me, you go down and rate me. You go down and feel like foot I one big idiot. Zine, just because of your ego. Brother, get help. Get help. Zine, get help, my brother. Yeah, me don't know if you want to go to prison or what. Me don't know if you want. Sometimes we have to understand and chill a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Chill a little bit, dog. Sometimes a death swing over your head or prison, you know, man. You understand what I say? So I feel like, you know what I mean? You know, we have to chill more time, man. You see me? We have to cure. You need to go talk to a professional. You understand what I say? And anybody there on cure where love cure, anybody there on the singer will love the singer. When you see that video, yeah, nobody talk a fuck in the artist's ears, bitch. But I tell the artist, oh the boy foot on them, oh yeah man, a popcorn them. Me and popcorn are good and me and cure are good. Me no business about that. But cure you need to calm the fuck down, dog. You need to get a hold of yourself before wrong things happen. Before you end up at jail again. Or you somebody go at it and then kill you, man. You come on, dog. Like seriously? You're one of the greatest voices them we ever hear in Jamaica. You are a legend, my friend. Maintain your thing, no man. So relax, no brother. Calm down, no man. Me I beg you, brother, please. Alright, you know how weird people? To how me rate Jackie with that. Like, to how me rate the man that. To how... Your life is a weird something, you know. Life is a weird thing, you know. Sometimes, when you don't know the love and respect where a person have for you, because you're not focused, I make you violate them people. Sometimes you have to stop and look, you know what I say? Yeah, you know what I mean? Like, Papi should not fear come up at your yard if you come get nobody out of your house, brother. Or run, you have to run out the person out of your house. Make Papi have to end up pick them up out the door. You understand what I say? What do you go and say? You know, say, me tell every selector go suck them mother and them still a fight for. So you don't even have no remorse over what you do. And you now realize, say, all the millions where you have, a selector help make you have the millions. Because really and truly, if every selector rate them, well, rate them on a selector anyway. If every selector will stop play right now, and when they send new song, them not look on it, you could have deal. The suffering are going to come, the hungry are going to come. If selector for boycott Jack you now, all the millions where you have, you're going to start feel threatened.
People, that's it for today. Want to tell me in the comment section what you think about POPCAAN and Jack Cure a kickoff. And a good question, like, how footer I know them something here? And 99.9999999% of time footer I correct. If the truth no leak now, sometime it leak later. But tell me in the comment section, what you think about Jackier and Popcorn a kick off. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. My gun.
Acres over markings. Link me wife when me want sex. Cause when side girl breed up, child support that lead up.